Hello, friends. This is Raki. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you have visited here. I am hoping that at the end of my videos, I am able to help you in my small little ways. My channel is for Thosia, who wants to start a YouTube channel. B, who wants to grow their channel since C, loves YouTube tutorials. One of them, please join in my channel through subscribing, commenting about your ideas, hit like button as well. Happy to be a part of your journey here in YT world.
Now let's begin.
So last video we incorporated in our intro and outro videos music there using CAPCUT. This time, I will now teach you how to edit your videos using CAPCUT. So I would suggest CAPCUT for first timer because this is very easy to use, and I will not suggest yet as of this moment if you have just started your YouTube channel the KineMaster, because there are a lot of what we call this pasikot-sikot. Okay, so let's go to CapCut now. Open CapCut and then plus new project, and then the intro that we created, and then our content that we want to discuss. So I will select that, and our outro. Okay, so add. So there you have it. You already have that one. It's the intro, then the content. So your content, you will be editing your content because the intro and outro is already fixed. As I have said, you will have to use this all throughout your videos, the intro and the outro. Okay, so let's go to the ending first, the last part. We will delete the watermark, this one, the watermark, delete, so we will not forget deleting that. So let's go back to from the very beginning. Okay, so here, so you can see, there is square. For a while we will use transition to that. So this is for transition, either you want it that way. Basic, this is the basic. There are a lot of transitions that you can choose from. Camera, that one, or that one. So say for example we will use the pull out. Okay, then the speed, we want it as slow as that, or as fast as this, as fast or as slow.
Last time we made our
Okay, so we'll choose
last time we
okay, so we already have the transition. Okay, for
last time
okay. So last time
we made our intro.
okay, so for example you have said something there and then you do not know what to say next. You have to cut that part. So where was that part?
And now we will
Select. So after select, click split, and then continue.
The intro that
Okay, the intro.
the
Okay, so before the select, then split, and then this one delete. Okay, let's go back.
select the intro that we made. So this is
So as you can see, it's already deleted. And so if ever that you find your voice is not that loud, you can increase the volume of your voice. The clip, we want to increase the volume, and that
the
one,
intro that
and then this one as well.
last time we made our intro and outro video using intro video.
So next is, so as you can see, after we deleted some clips that is not useful, you can add transition or opt to not add anymore. So what's the use of this edit? So you can split, you can speed up, you can add volume, then animation, you can delete, you can remove background, you can edit, filters, adjust, beauty, mask, and there are a lot. And then you can add audio, music to your video. Then you can add text here. So add text, you can choose the effects. So for example, this one, you can click subscribe, or can move that, can split, copy, stat, text to speech, the effects, the bubble, the animations. So there are many to choose from, but the very basic one is learning how to do the split and then the volume. So you already learned how to use that. Then you can insert stickers here. So there are a lot of stickers that you can insert. You can add subscribe button if you like. Check. Then add audio or audio and then effects. You can add this, say for example that one.
So there are a lot of sounds to choose from. You can your sounds or
Then you can add your voice here. So just have to hold to record. Hi, hello. This is my tutorial. If you are done, you can listen.
example. Hi, hello. This is my tutorial. Let us choose.
Okay. So if you are through, then click check. If you are not satisfied with that, you can delete. Okay. Filters, you can filters. You like that according to that mood. So it depends upon you. Okay. Add music at the end. You can add overlay. Say for example, you want to add photos. Just for example, you want to add photo. You can add and adjust. You can adjust it using your 2 fingers. Okay. Then if you want the combo one, this one, the combo, let's go back to that picture. We'll add a combo. And then animation, then combo. Last thing that you will be adding is music. So let's go back and select audio, then sounds, and then say for example we will use rock. Then let's have for example, you like this one, add plus sign. And because you have this is tutorial, so we do not want that our voice will be overpowered by music, so we will make sure that our music is just as not as loud, so we'll adjust
Last
the
time.
so after that, now as you can see, it's not that quite long, so we will click this clip and copy. If we want to copy this, click and copy, so it will continue until the end, then copy again, copy and adjust. So if you want to adjust that, just hold this and drag, okay, and then or you can add another sound or audio. Okay, add that. So if you are already satisfied with everything in your video, then that's it. Then click the arrow part and then that one. And then export. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial on how to use CapCut for editing your videos for your YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. So until our next video, bye!